start with. Get that up there. Life jacket. PDF. Definitely need.
Yep.
I won't go out without one. Got your radio.
Waterproof, yeah?
Yeah. Waterproof. Don't get a floating one.
Right.
Because my mate's just lost it and he's floated out.
Floated away.
Yeah, it's not floating away, but he knows someone's going to find it and use it.
Yep.
Safety knife. That's important. No point on it.
Ah, right.
That's when you get stuck and you can't get out. Bit of nookie. That's your safety line. Tie centre boat.
Right.
You've got your paddle.
Yep.
Everything should be tied down. Tie it onto the boat.
Right.
You've got battery in there. Got fish finder.
What an idea.
Your anchor. Some people like windy things like this, and some people just wind it round a thing, round a bottle, round a jig or something.
Right.
If you get an anchor like this, couple of foot of chain, chained on at the bottom, and up onto there.
Yeah.
Dive reel.
Dive reel. Right.
Yeah. Bigger the better. Well, I've actually got my drogue with me here.
Ah, that's the only drift, isn't it?
That's if you drift fishing. If you've got a sewing machine, about 10 minutes to that. This only a little one. Yeah, it wasn't big enough, that's another reason why I want to see it.
Ah, right.
My other one went out to sea and I just not had a chance to that one.
Right.
About 52 inches. What you get in the thing, 52 inches.
Right.
Tackle box which is quite well clipped on there by itself with just, don't take anything special, clips, rigs, hooks. Just push on there, your GPS, which you never used to do.
Right.
Look at this really posh one.
I was going to say, what's that?
That's my rod rest and my camera mount.
Ah.
I had a 50 quid one. I came down here, second time I used it, got washed off, never found it again.
Bloody hell. Right.
Fish finder.
Yeah.
Don't need nothing special. It's only to show you depth, what ground's like. Your seat. This is the important bit. Your seat. Somebody last week, strap that to the back.
Alright.
Because I go to the front, otherwise then it'll hold you back, otherwise you're laying down. Your rod rests, your rods should say, tied on.
Tied on.
That was naughty, but I didn't tie that. They're tied on. That's useful to put your fish in.
You're going to say that you catch?
Yeah, the simple reason, I've had big fish jump out at the back before I put a box on there.
I believe it, mate.
And your wheels.
Oh, sorted.
And your dry suit. And your wet suit.
When you're fishing, do you have your reels rods out like that?
One there like that.
Ah, right.
And I actually have one there like that. Because then I can see them both at the same time.
Alright.
That's why that's there.
Leave them in the rod rest.
Yeah, some have rams like that.
Ah, right.
Bad up, because then you got your eye, you're like that then.
Ah, yes. Nice paddling as well. But you naturally...
But yeah, if you've got rams, you can get some like that. Rocket launchers.
Yeah.
And if you're trolling, that'll be useful for trolling.
Right.
I can't troll with this method. I've got to get me sort of thing to troll.
No, it's a daft question.
Normally I keep my car keys in there.
Right, is it just a...
No, I just put some leads into it. So I store my leads normally.
Basically, they're all the same design, don't you?
Yeah, basically they're all the same